What's going on, everyone? Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in for another video. If you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, we're having a giveaway at 250 subscribers. Check the details for check the description for the details. Today we have another $60 mystery pack. I believe there's 12 packs in here. I think 7 are Japanese, 5 English. So we'll just run through it, see what else is in here. Oh, I don't like that. I already seen some trick or trade. Let's hope that's just a bonus throw in. Alrighty. So we got Trick or Trade, Paradox Rift, Temporal Forces, Battle Styles, Rebel Clash, Lost Origin, and then I don't know these off the top of my head. I'll have to drop this, so I'm gonna go slow because I'll drop a caption for each one. Okay. We're gonna rip through all these. Let's see what total we have here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Japanese. 5, 12. Okay, so the Trick or Trade looks like just a bonus throw in. We'll start with the Japanese and Trick or Trade. Might as well. I don't think there's really anything in here you can pull. Okay. I'd say they were up front about what was in this, how many English and Japanese, and I bought it knowing that. Don't mind if transparency's there. I just want to know, you know, don't say you can throw in Japanese and only throw in Japanese. Hollow. We should have a few other mystery items. I don't know if this one will air before the other one, but we have a large mystery box, $130. I have high hopes for that one. Hoping we get a lot of product, a lot of variety, maybe a sealed 10 or mini 10. Okay, got a little hit, not sure what that's worth. I like these style though, cards. Any hit's a good hit. This looks like the Scarlet and Violet base Japanese version. Little hit. I actually already have that one. I don't know if I have it in the Japanese, but I do have it in the English. Still waiting to get the metal detector. I didn't realize it was shipping from China when I bought it off Amazon, so they pushed back the delivery. It's been 3 weeks. Still want to do that video. That's going to be a fun one for science. Alrighty, so 2 hits out of the Japanese. Let's jump into the English. Not sure off the top of my head what the breakdown is going to be, but $1 or $2 for all these. Ooh, okay, little hit. $1 or $2 for all these Japanese packs, probably. And then I'll have to calculate the rest with English. But I think it should be close to getting money back, or at least it's within what I expected based on the description of this one. Come on. That's a cool little hollow. Alright, now we're in the Sword and Shield. Battle styles. I'm not open to a whole lot of these. I don't even know what you can pull out of this. Hopefully the code card is the correct way. Depending on if it's a reprint or not, it will be facing a different way. Okay. All right, down our last two here. I did buy another one of those 5 packs, 1 bonus. I have a part 1 and part 2 video. Those videos did really well, so I went ahead and bought another one. It's calling them the Pokerev style. I know other people have that too as well, but he's just the most well known. All right, can we get some last pack magic, please? That's okay. I think we got pretty good value, about what I expected out of this one. I'll do a price breakdown as well. On the Japanese ones, I'll have text that breaks down for people who aren't as familiar. I'm not as familiar, so that way you know what we got, and price-wise and transparency. I'll see you on the next one.